one together, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line down the equal sign. Maybe that one didn't show. Let's try this one. Okay. So we talked about how you can use an acronym called PEMDAS. But the difference here is that you're not simplifying an expression, you are solving. So solving means we're going to go from bottom to top. Now in this particular problem, I do see an addition and subtraction. I see it over here, but I'm probably not going to subtract the x until I get more stuff. So I'm going to come back to this one, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do here is distribute. Everyone say distribute? That's like kind of like Halloween, right? You're just passing out candy to everyone that comes. And let's just make this super obvious. Let's say you never learned distributing before, okay? Let me see if I can make this a little bit thicker. So I'm distributing this 5. That's like I like Twix. So it's kind of saying it's 5 times the x and 5 times the negative 2. Do you see how the 5 is distributed or given to everyone inside the parentheses? Let me show you on the other side too. So that means the negative 4 is going to go both towards the 2x by multiplication. Whoops. Right, because it's multiplication. And it's negative 4 times the 7. And I still have the x on the outside. Let's go ahead and simplify here. Five times x is 5x, right? You're just dropping the parentheses. You'll notice that the number is first, then the variable. 5 times a negative 2? Negative 10. Negative 4 times 2x? Negative 8x. Negative 4 times 7? Negative 28. And plus x. Okay. I'm eventually going to get all of the x's on one side. But I see some friends here. On one side of the equation, okay, this is a common mistake for students. They think to themselves, these are x's. They belong together. So I'll do the opposite and do this. Negative x. Okay? This is incorrect. This is incorrect because you only do opposites to go across the river, to go across the line, to go across the equation. If you're on one side, all you have to do is combine like terms. Everyone say combine like terms? And when we combine like terms, all you have to do is just look at the coefficient or the number in front. Class, what's negative 8 plus 1? Negative 7. That becomes negative 7x. Now, some students, I'm trying to clarify all the mistakes students make, they think, Mr. Ng, is that a squared? No. It only becomes squared if you're multiplying. Do you see this? It's really 1 plus 1. If you're multiplying, you get x squared. If you're doing this one, 1x plus 1x, that becomes 2x. We're just adding the numbers in front. Okay? So it is not squared. And I still have the minus 28. All right. So from here, this is correct, right? Class, you tell me. 5x plus 7x. 12x. What do I do with the negative 10? Class, what do I do with the negative 10? Bring it down. Class, negative 7x plus 7x. 0. And what do I do with the negative 28? Bring it down. Partner B, tell partner A, should we add 10 or divide by 12? Raise your hand, add. Raise your hand, divide. Yep, we're doing here. You see how I'm doing opposites to go across the equal sign? Does that make sense? So bring this down. What do I get? 12x. This becomes what? 0. And over here becomes negative 18. Partner A, tell partner B, how do you get rid of the 12? Class, we need to? Yeah, the opposite of multiplication is division. I get x equals, I want you to notice the negative sign here in yellow. I'm kind of putting it in line with the purple. Does that make sense? Because a negative divided by a positive is what? Negative. Class, what are the factors of 18? Numbers that multiply to be 18. 1 and 18, 2 and 9, and 6 and 3. What are the factors of 12? Oops. 6 and 2, or 3 and 4. But I chose 6, so I can do this. I'm reducing the fraction. So my answer is x equals negative 3/2.
We love math A, we love math A, we love math A. Every time we divide, we already know the path A. Then we multiply, all we gotta do is roll the die A.